DMS now has a revamped dashboard to give you a self-explanatory, seamless insight into your data quality and how Ringlead is continuously enriching and protecting your data. This dashboard was designed to sell itself. The first thing a Salesforce admin will see when logging into the DMS dashboard is the outcome of their last list import task. When a Salesforce admin runs a list import, they want to know first how many records were in that list. Then, how many were new leads, how many were new contacts, and how many were new accounts. They also want to know how many of those records were matched and how many of those matched records were updated into their CRM. With one glance, they can easily understand all of this. At the top of the list import graph, the user could see the total number of records in the list that they imported into their CRM. The bar graph shows the total amount of new and matched leads, the total amount of new and matched contacts, and the total amount of new and matched accounts. The user could understand that all the records are accounted for by summing up all the bars to see it equals the total number of records in their imported list. Lastly, within the matched leads bar is an orange bar displaying the total amount of those leads, contacts, or accounts that were updated into their Salesforce. Let's recap. The list import graph displays the total number of records within the list import, all the new leads, contacts, and accounts, and all the matched leads, contacts, and accounts, and all of those matched leads, contacts, and accounts that were updated into their Salesforce. The next graph is a pie chart showing users the enriched records in their list import. This graph clearly identifies how many records from their list import were enriched and how many of those were not enriched. The next graph is a pie chart showing users the matched leads within their list import. This graph clearly identifies how many records from their list import were matched and how many of those were not matched. The next section features a deduplication report which displays two charts. At the top, the user can see the total number of records selected from their CRM based on the customized filter for this particular dedupe task. For example, this could be a dedupe task for all their lead records in Chicago. So here, hypothetically, we can see that they have a total amount of 200 leads from Chicago in their CRM. Of those 200 leads, 85 of those are duplicates and 115 of those are non-duplicates. Now, on the graph below, we can see that of those 85 duplicates, 60 have been merged and 25 are pending merge.